Hey guys, and welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll show you what the Qinux BreezaMax portable air cooler is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official websites, the Qinux BreezaMax is a compatible portable cooling device designed to provide personal cooling whenever you need it. The company also says that its features a bladeless design, making it suitable for homes with children and pets, while also operating quietly for bedrooms, example, offices, and even while traveling. According to the website, BreezaMax offers three airflow settings. They do have the gentle breeze, standard cool, and turbo blast, allowing you to choose basically the airflow level that best suits your comfort. The company also says that the device features automatic oscillation to distribute airflow more evenly, a rechargeable battery for cordless operation, and a lightweight design that is easy to carry from a room to room. Of course, before purchasing, make sure to take a few minutes to carefully review the product information, specification, and everything, and make sure the device offers the features that you're looking for. It's always a good idea to read the product's information carefully and do your own research before placing it. And according to the websites, you'll basically have to, or to the official instructions, you'll simply have to press the power button and turn on the device, select your preferred airflow settings using the controls, and you should be good to go. You can put it on a desk beside the table, and it will work. It has a rechargeable battery which will allow you to use it without being connected to the power outlet while it charged. So if you decide to purchase it, you'll have to visit the official websites, click on buy now example, and then you'll be taken where you can choose how or which package do you want. And of course, then you'll have to enter your shipping details, payment information, and pay for it. But before completing your purchase, make sure to carefully review the pricing, shipping information, return policy, and warranty so you know exactly what you're ordering. Taking a few extra minutes to review these details and doing your own research is always recommended. And according to the official website, they do offer 30-day money back guaranteed. But if I were you, I would do my own research about that to be sure. If you have any questions other than that, they do have a frequently asked questions section where you can find many questions answered if you want that. As you can see, also the money back is it guaranteed or not, as the one that we talked about. And yeah, and of course, as with any home appliance, make sure to read the manufacturer instructions carefully, do your own research, and only purchase if you're comfortable with the products and its features, and depending on what you feel, so what you find good or not. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.